What's going on, everyone? It's Dave from AWE, and I'm back with another RevOff. It's a little rainy outside, but as they say, the show must go on. To my right, I've got a Jeep Trackhawk with a stock exhaust on it. To my left, I've got a Jeep Trackhawk running our AWE Touring Edition exhaust on it. Let's rev them up and see how different they sound. As you can hear, there's absolutely no comparison between stock and our AWE Touring Edition. You get all the rumble and all the deep bass with no drone at cruising speeds. For more information, head over to awemopar.com, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.